Hi guys, welcome to Ozzy's group. This is Vidisha Vitlani and we're back with three words for the day. The first word is enervate. Enervate. Now see, enervate is related to energy of course, but it means the opposite. It means lacking of energy. So or weakening something is enervate. So I can tell you he seemed quite enervated. Okay. The second word is ambiguous. Ambiguous means something that has ambiguity, something that is very unclear, something that is very confusing. So you cannot be ambiguous in your IELTS exam. Okay. The third word is boorish. Boorish. Boorish means somebody who's very bad mannered, somebody who's ill cultured, somebody who's very rude is called boorish. So the boy seemed quite boorish. The three words for the day are enervate, ambiguity, ambiguous, and the third word is boorish. I hope this is useful to you. Thank you so much, and all the very best for your exams.